Morning, kids. This week, May 11th through the 15th, we are going to be doing MobyMax for Math, doing a warm-up every day, and you are going to be learning about the solar system on your own during science. So let's just go through the slides really quick because there are just a couple changes. This page hasn't changed at all. Conference hours this week, Google Meets. We are meeting 10:30 to 11:30 every day. I have a lot of morning meetings and they tend to run over. So let's try 10:30. This is where this video is. Mash up for Monday. If you have any problems, make sure you watch the video. I give you a pretty good hint on the video. You're going to do MobyMax again. Please log into MobyMax and do MobyMax. Every 20 minutes gets you extra credit points or an assignment that's missing. Solar system. You're going to go to a solar system link today, and you're going to pick what you want to learn about, which planet, and then you're going to either do a Flipgrid or fill in the Google Doc about what you learned. You're going to be doing that every day this week, and you're just going to pick a different planet or object in our solar system. On Tuesday, you are doing a would you rather question. Make sure you tell me mathematically how you solved it. MobyMax again. Tuesday is our solar system project is going to continue. Wednesday, you are doing a math mashup. It's donuts and fractions, so make sure you pay attention and think about all the things you've learned about equivalent fractions or fractions with common denominators and how you multiply them. If you need to, go back and look in your notes. Science for MobyMax is MobyMax that day. On Thursday, you're going to do another would you rather. It's going to be a perimeter activity. You can actually use little square Cheez-Its crackers if you have them. Or you can use any kind of cracker that's square and try and figure it out, or Legos that are square. You can use whatever you want to try and figure it out. Solar system, we're going to be working on the solar system again. And then on Friday, you have a math mashup, and it has to do with fractions again. You're going to go on MobyMax Math and finish off your solar system project by telling me what you found the most interesting and what's your favorite planet maybe. Remember, you can use Flipgrids. Flipgrids are really easy. You don't have to write anything down. You can just go to the Flipgrid, hit the green plus button, and add it. It's kind of fun, guys. It's a little bit like TikTok. Have fun.